So just to show you guys, I got the Worm Hotel started. Basically I put some used soil, some roots there, and worms are now in it as well. And this is just a 3-tier system. So I've drilled a lot of holes around here of 3 different buckets. The top 2 have the same config, which is holes up here, small holes, and bigger holes at the base. So basically, once they devour all this, the fine grains or the castings will fall to the second, and from there the water will separate to the bottom. So I have my compost tea, my compost, and my raw material.